Hello, this is Emily coming at you from Prince George Ford, and today we're looking at the 2025 Ford F-150 Lariat. Coming in this nice black coloring, this vehicle is powered by a 3.5-liter V6 EcoBoost engine, has four-wheel drive capabilities, comes equipped with the black appearance package, tow and haul package, bed utility package, and taking a look at the back here, we got that tow hitch, rear park sensing, backup camera. We do get a Pro Access tailgate as well that has a tough bed end spray liner. You got some outlets back here, lights, measurements on the side here. That's also powered as well and will go down automatically. And let's just say you're carrying a lot of stuff in your hands. All you have to do, knee it up, and it will go up automatically. We do get black gripped running boards on the side here. We got side view cameras, blind spot detection, lights on your mirrors, and moving to the front, we have front park sensing, recovery hooks, block heater, front view camera, and that nice Ford grille. Taking a look on the inside, we can see this vehicle does seat up to 5 pretty comfortably. We have this nice black leather interior, plenty of door space, B&O sound system, carpet interior, flat fold storage system, cup holders, heated back seats with 2 USB-Cs, 120 volt, and of course you can fold this down for cup holders and arm space. Taking a look at the driver's side now, we can see here we do have powered seats with the same leather interior we saw in the back there. Plenty of door space up front. Power door mirrors with memory seating for up to 3 drivers. Auto stop auto start, lights, spotlights, parking brake, and pedal adjusters all on your left hand side. Taking a look at the vehicle while it's running, we can see the odometer is sitting at 30 kilometers. We have this heated leather wrapped steering wheel, toggle for your screen, phone and media, volume, voice, and cruise control. Looking at our screen here, we have My View, Trip and Feel, your heads-up display, which you can sort of kind of see it on the vehicles ahead of me. Just limit your distractions so you can keep your eyes on the road. You have your gauges, off-road, towing, status info, navigation, phone, audio, vehicle maintenance, and other settings. To my right, we have our gear select, speeds, it's collapsible, because you do get an interior work surface that comes equipped with a mobile office package. You got cup holders, wireless charging pad, USB and USB-C, and that does close. Rear locking diff, 4-wheel drive, and drive modes. We have our trailer brake, Pro Trailer Assist, push button start, heated and cooled front seats with dual climate, 12 volt and 120. Got storage above and below, storage above right here, and we do get a powered rear window opener, as well as our features for our twin panel moonroof, which provides excellent lighting for the vehicle with a nice garage door transmitter. You have a park your assist right here, and we do get BLUECRUISE with this vehicle, which is Ford self-driving, and you have your audio, which does have AM, FM, Bluetooth, and Sirius XM. You got your phone connectivities, navigation, fave apps, messaging, email, zone lighting, power tailgate. Apps in general, or any apps you've downloaded, will show up right here with your Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, your basic vehicle settings, and your features of the vehicle. If interested, the stock number for this vehicle is FA60061, and you can head on down to PG Ford or give us a call.